The 2013
Porsche Cayenne GTS, powered by a 4.8-liter V8 engine. With a Tiptronic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Porsche features power steering, alloy wheels, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, rain-sensing wipers, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.